Home remedies to cure common cough. The common cough can be harmless, but it can also be a sign of more serious illness. We know that how irritating, disrupting, and painful a cough can be, especially when it affects the sleeping at night or when our job involves a lot of speaking and the cough disturbs from doing it. Annoying, disruptive, and loud, a persistent cough can put a restriction on your daily routine. Generally, coughs can be categorized by how long they last. The two main classifications of coughs are dry cough and wet cough. Dry cough is a non-productive cough where no mucus is formed, and this brief cough is caused by factors such as cold air, breathing dust, irritating fumes, or aspirating food into the airways. A wet cough is the productive cough where irritants and mucus from the lungs are formed during the cough. The persistent cough results from mucus and other secretions brought on by respiratory disorders such as the cold, the flu, tuberculosis, and pneumonia. A persistent cough always should be checked by a medical practitioner as it can be a symptom of a serious medical illness. Natural cough remedies. It is possible to cure cough with simple natural home remedies without using any prescribed medication. Natural cough remedies help to treat the cough and reduce the uneasiness associated with persistent coughs. But still, it is necessary to find the type of cough you are suffering from before you start using the remedies. Identifying the type of cough will help you get the right remedies and in turn get the best results for your cough. A few of the effective natural cough remedies for coughs are given below. Chukku, dry ginger, pepper, and thippili, Piperaceae family. For cough and cold, take chukku, pepper, and thippili in equal quantities by weight and grind them into a fine powder. Mix this powder with honey and consume thrice a day. This helps in releasing the mucus and exorcises it. Onions. Onion is very good at stopping coughs. You can make your own cough syrup by using either baked onion juice or honey and comfrey tea. It is effective when taken on a daily basis. To make an onion cough syrup, mix honey, grated onion, lemon juice and boil in a pan over a pot of boiling water. Cover and let it boil for 2 hours. Then drain liquid from the juice and consume 1 tablespoon every alternate hour. Garlic. Garlic has been known to have both antibacterial and antimicrobial components that are useful in treating coughs. To prepare a garlic solution, take at least 2 cloves of garlic, boil in water and add a spoonful of oregano. Include a small quantity of honey when the solution is at room temperature. Now you can drink it. The solution helps in decreasing cough symptoms and improves breathing. You can also crush 1 clove of garlic and mix it with 1 or 2 drops of honey and clove oil. Eating this blend aids in relieving any throat complications you may experience. If you like this video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.